Today, guys, I have here some fruit juice smoothie. I have pawpaw, raspberry, strawberry, apple. Yes, this is what I have. And I also have a banana. I just mix it up together. And guys, yes, I'm going to be having a drink of this.
Look for the light and shine bright. Look for the star in the sky. Look for that beam. Look for the good things that make you smile. And watch you pass, boom. Watch you zoom. You and me and you go boom. Remember when we used to do proselyte back in the day? You speak Spanish, I'm like, you keep a secret from me, okay?
So this is it, guys. I'm going to be chucking this down. And I am also going to be talking with you. Yes, guys, I'm going to be talking with you this morning. Yes, I also not only take care of my body, or I try to take care of my body, but I try to take care of also my spirituality. Yes, guys, regular cleansing of yourself is an essential act, guys. Yes. And every time you go out to meet different people, and each of these meeting, guys, you encounter good and you encounter bad people. So we have to know how to cleanse ourselves spiritually. So guys, in second King, Elijah requested for salt. You remember anybody who know about their Bible, guys? And Elijah requested for salt to cleanse the water and to cure barrenness. You know that salt had taste to your food? Yes, guys, that is how salt had taste to your life. So, guys, I'm going to be talking about the spiritual cleansing of salt. Yes, guys, a lot of times when we go out in our environment, especially when you go out, you meet new people and you see new people and you engage and you interact. We open up ourselves to a whole lot of goodness and badness. And in order to maintain that good quality around us, guys, and to have good friends and good associates around us, guys, we have to learn how to take care of ourselves on a spiritual level. Not only our physical health or our mental health, but we have to take care of our spiritual health too, guys, so that we may have a lot of blessings to encounter us and to enfold us, to come over us, guys, so that we can always be prosperous in our lives. All right? I can tell you this, guys, because my grandmother used to share and do a lot of things with us when we were growing up. She used to try to protect us from all the forces and the evil eyes of people. And she used to take us to sea. You remember, guys, if you have a cut, you have a wound, and soak your your wound in that sea, and in no time that wound will be healed. Yes, you see the power of salt water. Yes. And some people will say that at the end of the year, they're going to take a sea bath. Yes. They take a sea bath and leave the destruction behind. Yes. That is the power of salt. You cook with salt and the salt had taste to your food. Yes, that is how the salt had taste to your life. Yes, guys. So I'm taking care of my health and I'm taking care of my spirituality, my spiritual health, my spiritual well-being also, guys. So let me tell you a few tips and tricks about using the salt water as a spiritual cleanse. I will go into the shower and I will cleanse my body. Cleanse my body, bathe myself clean. Then I will add 2 tablespoons of salt water to a bowl. A bowl enough to, throw water on you. And you mix out, let the salt dissolve. Or you can use spiritual salt. You have a spiritual salt, you let the salt dissolve in the water. And when the salt is dissolved in the water, you're going to pray over the salt water for wealth and prosperity and for guidance and money, anything that you want to track any goodness into your life, you're going to pray over that water. And then at the end of it, guys, you're going to throw it over your head. You're not going to throw it all at once. You're going to just throw, and you're going to just ask Heavenly Father to just cleanse you of anything, any impurities, any bad vibes, any bad luck. And you're going to ask Heavenly Father to bring in quality people around you, positive energy. You're going to just pray for all the qualities. You can do this for 3 days, and you can do it for 7 days. Yes, guys, and it is a continuous process, because you each time you go out there, you meet people, you mingle with people, you pick up these negative energy, you pick up these bad vibes, you pick up good vibes also. But guys, in order to stay out of the harms of anything that is negative around you, you have to constantly clear yourself, deliver yourself, protect yourself, guys. And let me tell you something, this thing really works. If you're diligent and you do what you're supposed to do, guys, it will work for you. It clears away any blockage, clears away any negative energy from out of your life, guys. Yes, this is what the salt water does. And guys, I am taking care of myself spiritually. That's why I am able to have peace with myself. And even though people may say or do bad things or negative things around me, guys, I do not delve in all of that negative energy. It may come against me at the moment, but I don't wake up with it. Yes, guys, I don't wake up with it. I don't wake up with it. I keep doing good, and I meet good people, meet good quality people. And guys, sometimes it's hard to deal with some people, but you have to learn to breathe and to pray and to be patient and be able to step back. Yes, guys, you have to know how to do these things, because life on a whole is not easy with all your added burden, but you cannot let the burden of life take control over you. You have to win it. Because, guys, you only have one you, and you have to take care of you. So if you don't take care of yourself, then you're going to lose out. Yes, you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of your mental, your physical, your spiritual health. Yes. You have to take care of it. You have to be rounded. Yes. Like the World Health Organization says, health is a complete wellness. And when they talk about wellness, they talk about your psychological, they talk about your physical, they talk about your spiritual, they talk about all the health, everything that you can think about in terms of making yourself have good health. Yes, that includes spirituality. So guys, don't be weary of salt. Salt has its power. It is very effective for you guys. So try it out. And all these negative people that is out there, guys, you try out these salt water cleanse, because it can definitely help you. Salt water also make your skin look so healthy. It can clear the mind. Just read up the benefit of salt and what it does to the body, guys. Yes. Spirituality, yes, you can look it up also, guys. Help yourself. Don't be naive. Don't just look pretty and go out there, because I'm telling you, you're faced with so much different realms, and you have to be able to protect yourself from all of this. Some of what my grandmother used to taught me when I was growing up, to the point where I'm still doing them now, and it is so beneficial. Yes, guys, it is beneficial for us that we have to have some form of cleansing in our life. We have to know how to cleanse ourselves, cleanse our home, work and cleanse our family, so that we can have prosperity, so that we can have good vibes and good values, and we can have laughter, we can encounter good quality people in our life. Yes, guys. Yes, it's very important for us to have good people coming into our life. So we have to know how to protect ourselves spiritually and how to cleanse ourselves so that we can attract positive energy around us. Yes. Yes, guys. So it was nice being here with you and sharing my day. Yes, it is nice. So guys, if you like my video, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell. Remember, I tell you, so that you can be notified of more of my upload. So if you can't be good, be careful. Walk good, guys. Yes, walk good.